What's good, YouTube? OC Bike Week on the side of 95. What a way to start the trip.
Got bike problems, baby. Ain't touched the plug in this, so I know what's going on.
We got a breakdown before the trip even started. Stick around, it's gonna be a fun one. Back at the garage, just got finished packing. Just chilling here with AJ. Got his bike situated over there. Waiting on a couple more people to get here, then we're gonna take off. But 2025 OC Bike Week. Let's get it started. Catch up with y'all. Get down the road. All right, we got everybody now. Marshall fueling up. Just woke up. Just got his bag packed up. Last minute. Marshall last minute like always. Eric and Lex over here. Fueled up. Ready to go. Just touched down, Chesapeake City, Chesapeake Inn. Beautiful day so far. Yeah, beautiful day so far. Not too bad. Traffic ain't too bad. Weather's perfect. Give y'all a view of the marina. But when I see y'all come up on me, I don't think it's the problem. Cameras recording the cameras. This is you guys, I'm doing BTS content for Alexis on this trip.
Bike Week 2025. That was perfect.
You're very natural.
Perfect.
It's a beautiful spot out here.
Are you able to do honey all day?
AJ. Lex getting custom made food over there. It's not even on the menu. That's how you know when you big time. Just touched down, OC.
Show what's in his bag.
Look at my man.
What? 4 days. We ain't going thirsty.
This man came prepared for OC.
Right.
Just touched down in the B&B. Give y'all a little sneak peek.
Sneak.
Kitchen, living room. My man got the recliner, leaning, chilling. My bedroom, the bathroom, second bed. Oh yeah, he tripping.
Talk about R&B's and all of that shit. Dehydrated food.
Man, why you got that, man? You in OC? You ain't at boot camp?
That's pop.
Nigga, I'm not about to be buying all these no damn snacks and all that shit.
Oh man, this man got all the snacks, juices, sodas, everything. About to unpack, get comfy, tap in with y'all when we hit the streets. Touchdown inlet, decent little crowd. Got some vendors out here. I don't think they was here last year for sure, but have to walk around, see what's going on. My man's was stuck. Marshall over here, big weightlifter, lifting people bike up, saving the day and shit.
I ain't got nowhere to grab the fucking bike.
Inlet was kind of mid. The crowd was kind of small right now, but it is a Thursday night. Typically, Friday and Saturday are the busy days. But hey, we can't complain. Shout out my girl Jess, Bikes and Balayage. Go follow her on Instagram. Gave me the free passes for the weekend for all the concerts and shit throughout the weekend. So we came on down, checked a couple concerts out. Like I said, crowd was kind of small, but it is Thursday. Typically gets a little bit busy on a Friday, Saturday. But hey, for the free ski, can't complain for the free ski. We always end the nights at Fishtails in OC, so about to see what's going on. Hopefully I see some familiar faces, and then head back to the Airbnb. But all in all, solid first day. Friday, Saturdays when it gets packed out here, so we'll see. Day one, I guess you could say day one OC 2025 OC Bike Week. Fishtail starting to pick up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign off on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on day two.